Hey guys, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. Today I have a very exciting video planned for you. We will be making the banana blueberry muffins. They are so delicious and so tasty, so let's get right into it. To start off, we're going to mix 1 3/4 cups of non-dairy milk. Today I am using coconut milk. You can use almond milk, cashew milk, any nut milk will work. 2 teaspoons squeezed lemon. This is a supplement for vinegar. Half cup of maple syrup. This will give it the nice sweetness that we want for our muffins. And last but not least, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now in a separate bowl, we are going to mix together 4 cups of spelt flour with 2 teaspoons of Redmond real salt and with 4 teaspoons of baking powder. This is going to be it for our dry ingredients. We are going to mix these together. Okay, so now we're going to mix 4 smashed red bananas and half a cup of applesauce into our wet ingredients, and we're going to mix this thoroughly. Then we're going to mix our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients. Now remember that we're using spelt flour, which is a really delicate flour, and we don't want to overmix it. Next, we're going to add 2 cups of frozen blueberries to our dough. Now, we don't want to mix too much, first of all, because we're using spelt flour and it could change texture. Second of all, we don't want to smash the blueberries. So now we're going to place our baking cups into our muffin cooking sheet. Before moving on, we're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to place 1/4 cup of our dough into our baking cups. Remember not to overfill, we don't want it to be spilling. Now this is optional. If you want to place a few extra blueberries on top of your muffins, you may. Thank you, Haley, for helping me with this. I really appreciate your hard work. This will make up to 2 dozen of muffins. Remember to bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. And here they are, just right out of the oven. These are so delicious. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Bye!